today, you guys, we are going to be unboxing and swatching out these Rosalind polygels. I was lucky, I got to get the shiny pink and the soft pink. Rosalind did reach out to me and they wanted to know if I want to try their polygel, and I was like, sure, I'll try it. So here we are. I'm gonna look for my scissors. Hold on. I got them right here. Okay, great. So how are you guys doing? It's actually super late right now. Everyone's sleeping, so I gotta be quiet. But I wanted to get this swatching done because I'm super excited to try these polygels and create a set. So let's see what we got. Okay. And I haven't figured out where I'm gonna swatch these yet either. I guess for now I'm just gonna swatch them on the box. But you guys, the one thing I was really excited about is that they're 60 milliliters. These are big bottles. Like, even my big SXC Cosmetics polygel is half of this size. So yeah, I'm super excited. And this one is super glittery. I don't know if it's really a glitter though. We'll see. Oh wow, OMG, you guys, I'm so excited. This is super glittery. I am a sucker for glitter. I literally go crazy for it. So I'm excited. Let's see what we got. You ready? Are you ready? Oh, so effing pretty, you guys. Let me zoom in on this because this is wow. Wow, look at this. What do you guys think? Literally so beautiful and glittery AF. Like, OMG. Okay, you guys, so this is what I had in mind. I'm gonna swatch them both on this one. I wanted to do an ombre. Hopefully these polygels will ombre well. We'll see if this color match is good enough for me to do an ombre with these. This one is the soft pink. I forgot I was zoomed in, but it's okay. You ready? Oh my god, I love the texture of this. This is, yes. Oh gosh, you guys, I'm so sorry, but wow, that was, yes. Do you guys, can you see what I see? Because this is next level beautiful. Like, thank you so much to Rosalind for sending me these polygels. I'm going to be creating a set with them very, very soon. So you guys are gonna see that, but OMG, I'm gonna cure these really quickly. All right, you guys, so here we have them cured. They're so beautiful. You guys, please drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. I am in love. I cannot wait to create my set with these. OMG, they're so beautiful. So look out for some super long, extra beautiful Rosalind polygel nails coming very soon. If you're not already subscribed and you like this video, go ahead and consider subscribing. Assuming that you do subscribe, you can go ahead and ring the bell so you can be notified every time I post. I do have a website, www.scorpiongoddessnails.blog. You can go there to locate my discount codes. I believe there is a discount code for Rosalind. I'll have to add it to my website, and I will add it to the description of this video. Oh my goodness, it's so beautiful. So stay tuned, you guys. I love y'all so much, and thank you so much for tuning in. I'll holla y'all. Peace.